This video looks at adding the duct runs. So the idea is to run our duct runs down to our plant room on the floor below. So if we level down, we can see here we've got an air handling unit position. So ideally what we'd want to do is to run our ductwork from the furthest grill and establish that main run. First of all, having placed the grills, I'm going to switch the light fittings off. We don't need to see them anymore. We then insert and decide whether we're doing a supply or an extract. Well, this is a supply system anyway, so it will default to the previous placement of the grills. We then select ducts. We then click once on the duct run. At the end of the grill, we click once, and then we start routing our duct with one click. As we route our ductwork, pushing our mouse wheel and dragging our mouse over to the right pans the whole layout across. We then decide where we want to drop down. So we've got this riser here, or dropper, services shaft. Click once, and then using the duct control box, level down, move to. You can then set the height of your duct runs as well. So if the centre line of the air handling unit is at 3.45 meters, we can set that as my move to level. And I can carry on and connect into the air handling unit. The right button click allows me to move duct sections back, so if I'm not very accurate, I can make rectifications. This is the first supply system, and we can then put the reference. Pressing escape before we move up, we then view level up. What we can then do is connect in these connections. Insert ducts. Now before we do this, we've done our main run. What we want to do now is change our default duct group to be the final connections. So if we go into Edit, Duct Groups, and we now make the final connections the default. We then continue with Insert Ducts. We click once on the grill. We double click on the duct run to connect into it. Both buttons together on the mouse once, or the escape key. And then what we do, now we've broken this duct, this run at the end is now a final duct group. Double clicking on the duct, changing the duct group to final connections. As this duct run goes past all the grills fairly close to them, we can connect our final branches in automatically using the Auto Connect feature. We go to the Edit menu, Auto Connect Grills. Any grill within a stipulated distance will be connected in. That then connects the final connections in. Display Calculate calculates our duct sizes. Now you can see our duct sizes presented. If you want to see the actual duct size in physical terms, Display Options allows us to show the physical dimensions of the duct runs. Adding an extract system would be exactly the same. So if I go to Options and just switch off the, we can then apply our extract system. This is exactly the same process. Insert, this time we select Extract, we select multiple grills, we select the room. You can see in the command line, select a room, select the room, then we place our grills. Next room, multiple grills. Next room, repeat the process. We then insert our ducts. Insert ducts. What I'm going to do this time is change the duct group. So if I go to Edit Duct Groups again, make the main run the final or the default connection again, insert ducts, select the grills, and establish a duct run. I might want to give myself a little bit more space here, so if I do a right button click, I can come up a little bit and squeeze that in between the beam and the riser. Level down, move to the appropriate level, move to, introduce that into the separate air handling unit. Obviously this is for illustration purposes only. I wouldn't place an extract system right next to a supply system. View, level up, edit, duct groups, change the final connections as the default, close, edit, auto connect emitters, tails in, change that run to a final connection, display, calculate, and we get then the extract system. We get our duct sizes on the extract system. Display options again, showing the services. We don't need the lights anymore, and on the ductwork, rid of the lighting, and also on the options listing on the ductwork I can show the physical dimensions again. And if we view level down, you can see there's our duct runs connected.